Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you guys how I achieve my wash and goes. So my hair is freshly washed and detangled. Usually when I detangle my hair, I have to part my hair in 4 sections like this and twist it up in order for it to remain detangled. So let's move on to the products that you'll need to use to achieve the look. You'll need olive oil or an oil of your choice, a leave-in conditioner. Today I'll try the Intensive Moisture Sealant by Aunt Jackie's, some Eco Styler gel, and a Denman brush. So I like to start with the back section of my hair. You're going to start off by adding your leave-in conditioner. Do not add too much of this or the cream because you're going to get those little white flakes in your hair once you add the gel. So again, the leave-in conditioner and the cream is strictly to moisturize your hair. And you want to really work in the cream and the leave-in conditioner so that every bit of your hair gets the moisture that it needs before adding the Eco Styler gel. So now that you're ready to add the Eco Styler gel, you want to divide this section into 2 parts because the more Eco Styler gel you add to each strand of hair, the more defined the wash and go will be. As you can see, I'm going to add a generous amount of gel to my hair. Like I said before, each strand of hair that you can get the gel on, that's the more defined your wash and go is going to be. So like I said, you don't have to load your hair with Eco Styler gel, but don't be stingy with the amount. Be pretty generous. And then you're going to just brush each strand with the Denman brush. And if you feel that you need to add more gel, you can, by all means do so. And the Denman brush definitely helps when it comes to defining your curls. Okay, and you're just going to repeat the steps for your entire head. Okay, so once you're done adding a gel, at this point you can either choose to let it air dry, or if you're in a hurry like I am, you can blow dry it on low heat. Okay, so after you're done blow drying, you want to go ahead and add your olive oil, or like I said, oil of your choice, just to give it a little shine. Okay, now you're ready to pick your hair until you reach the volume that you desire. So, and as you guys may know, I've said this before, I like my hair to be pretty big. Okay, so once I part my hair, I like to add a little edge control to my edges just to give it a sleek look. Okay guys, that's it. That is my wash and go routine. Quick and easy, especially if you have somewhere to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.